Now let's move on to create a Python file or a simple Python module to import this module inside it. Simply, we are gonna use this module inside another one. Here in this case, we have created a simple Python module or a simple Python file called main. And we just imported the myModule file inside it using the import keyword. And once you make an import for myModule here, you can use it without any complication. And also, as you can see, we use the module name with the function name from this module. This is a calling for the greeting function from myModule module. And we give this function in this calling Ronaldo as a value for the name argument. And once you run this file, you will get this output inside the console. Hi Ronaldo. Hi plus the value of the name argument for this calling. And also you should know that a module in Python programming language can contain functions. But also a module can contain variables of all types, like arrays, dictionaries, objects, and many more. Let me show you that. Let me show you how to create a dictionary and import it inside another module. As you can see in this case, we created a simple dictionary inside the myModule module. And this dictionary is called person and it has 3 items. The first key for the first item is called name and its value is called Donny. It is a string data type. The second key inside the person dictionary is called age and its value is integer data type. It is 40. And also for the last item, the last key is called country and its value is a string data type also and it is Finland. Now let me show you how to print the value of one of these keys into another file or into another module. After importing the myModule file inside another file here, as you can see, using the import keyword, we just created a variable and it is called x, and we assigned the name of the module called myModule.person. This is the name of the dictionary that we have created and also which contains the name key. Then using the print function to print the value of x variable, and in this case, this is a simple way to print the value of the name key from the person dictionary. And also you can see the result is clear inside the console. Simply this program gave us Donny in the output, the value of the name key from the person dictionary from the myModule module.